Hello and welcome to Leo's Lock Pad. Went to another local hardware shop today and was looking at a couple of padlocks. I'd got most of them. Anyway, I come across this one. Now, I wasn't really going to bother with it, but something about it was intriguing me. It just basically kept saying buy me for some reason. I don't know why, because it's just a cheap lock. Anyway, when I looked at it and I looked on the back, it's got a website. You see it there. And so I googled the website, had a look, and it really is there. It's a full website. We sell other products as well as locks, and your activation of your lifetime guarantees on there. It even comes with a free phone number if you have any problems. Which generally, when I have other cheap locks that I've bought, there's nothing much on the back except for instructions and saying made in China. Where this one was completely different. Even asked you to ring them up to tell them how their product is. So, a bit strange. It was for me for a cheap lock. Anyway, it's a 40mm laminated padlock, heavy layered steel body with a protective bumper, zinc plated hardened shackle, and includes 2 keys. Lifetime guarantee, it says. Give me 1 second. Oh, God. I was doing a video the other day when I stripped one of these locks and a spinning tray, so I made a quick, cheap one out of an old shopping board. I thought it would it'd do for a makeshift one instead of that plastic thing. Let's get this this lock undone. Let's have a look. Show you the bidding. Nothing fantastic, just quite ordinary. But yeah, for some reason I like this lock. I don't know if anybody else ever gets like that over a lock. I'm going to use my half diamond deforest, bent half diamond, I should say, on the south orb wrench. Top of the keyway. Start at the back. Just pin 4. 3. There's 2. Back on 3 again for some reason. Yeah, one is down. There we go. Weren't too difficult. I think that was a quite easy lock. It was quite a nice lock to pick, that one. Everything works fine on it. It's even very smooth for a cheap lock. But yeah. Well, I definitely sort of like that lock. Strange, but yeah, bluespot. It is. Well, I hope you like this video. And thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and bye.